From the shadows of military-issued timepieces to the wrists of collectors worldwide, Micromilspec has arrived. Known for creating watches exclusively for elite units, the Norwegian brand now opens its doors with a bold new release, the Pilot Worldtimer. The case stays true to Micromilspec's signature octagonal design. Crafted from grade 5 titanium, it's lightweight yet incredibly durable. 42 millimeters across, 15 thick, and water-resistant to 200 meters. A bidirectional bezel in black ceramic lists, global time zones in raised relief, making this watch as functional as it is striking. Available in black or white, the grained dials maximize contrast and legibility. Applied markers and bold hands glow with superluminova, while recessed chronograph subdials and a triple-digit date display keep things practical and purposeful. A sloped flange adds a 24-hour scale to complete the package. Inside beats the La Jouperet caliber L122, an automatic chronograph with central GMT hand, allowing you to track a second time zone with ease. Running at 28,800 vibrations per hour with a robust 60-hour power reserve, it's built for serious travel. The solid caseback, engraved with the Micromilspec logo, keeps it mission-ready. Choose from a titanium bracelet with folding clasp, or black leather and rubber straps, all seamlessly integrated into the case. At €3,500, the Pilot Worldtimer offers military-grade toughness with global versatility. Born from the battlefield, refined for the skies, the Micromilspec Pilot Worldtimer is ready wherever duty or adventure calls. If you enjoyed this first look, hit that like button, subscribe for more watch reviews, and ring the bell so you never miss the latest releases from the world of horology.